Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss how to create a new user with admin rights. How we can give admin rights to an existing user. We will discuss both methods step by step. First of all, we will go to control panel, start, then control panel, and then user accounts. Friends, here we click on manage another account. Like here we can click on create a new account. We will give a name like Azan, AZAN, and select its type as administrator, then create account. Friends, here we see as the existing user Dell, its administrator and password protected, and we create a user Azan and it has administrator rights, and some other user like Michael Bevan and it's a standard user and password protected. How we can create a password to existing user? Click on it, create a password. We click on create a password, give a password to this. Here friends, here are password hints. We will write some hints to remember password, so in case we will forget our password we can recover from our hints. Okay, and then we click create password. Also we can change the picture of this user. Click on change the picture, and here we select the picture as we like, or also we can browse pick from our computer. If we have from computer, then we can also select. Let's suppose we can change the picture. We can select here and change picture. Friends, you see the picture is changed. We can change the picture in this method and exit from this control panel. This is the one method to create a user with admin rights, or we can give rights to an existing user. Friends, if we talk about to give rights to an existing user, we can, like this is a standard user, we can give rights to this, change the account type, and here we click on administrator and change account type. Friends, you see here this is also make an administrator user. This is the way we can create a new user with admin rights, or we can give admin rights to an existing user. Now we will see another method how to can create user through manage. Right click on computer, then go to manage. Expand to local user and groups. Click on user, right click on here and click username. We give the name as Aisha, and its password is okay. We check this password never expired, then we click on create. Friends, user created with the name Aisha. and this is a standard user. How we can make this user as admin? Right click on it and go to its properties, and then click on members of tab. It's member of user. We want to make this member of administrator. Click on add, click on administrators, friends. This is the member of administrator. If a user is a member of administrator group, then he can install any software, remove any software, and he can do anything on the system to change time, date and time, and install everything. I means he can do anything on system. So this new user is a member of administrative group. Click on apply, OK. This is now become administrative user. We can also set its description, like we can say this user is a doctor. No, this user is a, we can see description, this is a doctor, and this is the password and some other changes we made about on this. This is all about the users, how to create a new user with admin rights, or we can change with existing user to admin rights. Same like if this is a standard user or administrative user, if this is an administrative user, how to remove this, remove, and this becomes a standard user. Okay, now this has this user has some limited rights to use the system, and he cannot install software or uninstall software, or do not make any change like group policy or system data time or some other things. So this is all about the users, all about our topic. I think you understand all the topic. If you have any question, please write in comments. I will give you back shortly. Thank you. Bye.